Good morning, children. Welcome to our first class maths. We learned in previous class chapter 1 revision. We learned same versus different and small, medium and large, long versus short. These were learned. Now let's start next activity. What is our next activity? Children, please follow me boards. Open your test books and open your page number 2. Tall versus short. Next activity is what? Tall versus short. Tall means height, more height. Short means small height. For example, you get in your class 2 girls is there. One girl is very tall or tall and one girl is short. This girl is short, tall and this girl is short. Compare these two girls. One girl is tall, one girl is short. Now look at your test book. Here given some pictures is there. First one here giraffe and deer. You compare these two. Which one is the tall? Giraffe always tall animal. So put it this one. Put it to or cross it to giraffe. Okay, children. Now next here one candle is there, one tree is there. Which one is the tall one? Here one candle and one tree is there. So which one is the tall one? You cross it to tall or tick to or put a circle to tree because this tree is a tall one. Okay, children, do this activity in your test book and post it this picture in our WhatsApp group. Now next, count and match. Get some example here. Now match into this one. Here, how many here is there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This matching to 4. This matching to 4 number. Now next, here balls is there. You count and balls. 1, 2, 3. 3 balls is there. You matching to 3. This is do in your test book. Here some cars is there. Count it these cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Where is 14 in this one? Here is there 14. You matching to 14. Like this do. Okay, children. This is do in your test book. Now next one. Count and write. Count the animals in a pet shop and write the numbers. Here some pictures is there. How many pictures is there, Amma? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now tortoise is there. Count a tortoise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now stars is there. Count it stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have given some questions. You write. First question. Count and write these questions. What is our first question? How many starfishes are there? How many starfishes are there? Next one, how many fishes are there? How many fishes are there? Now last one, how many turtle is there? How many turtles are there? Now count and write here. How many starfishes are there? Count the starfishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should write here. How many? 5. Write here number. Now next one. How many fishes are there? Count the fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You should write here 7. Okay, children. Now next, how many turtles are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is there. Now, you should write here 16. What is our activity? Count and write. First question. How many starfishes are there? That are 5. Now next, how many fishes are there? That are 7. Now next, how many turtles are there? That is 16. Okay, children, do these activities in your test book. Please post in group. Okay, children. Now, next activity, let's explain next class. Now, still any doubts, children, in this one? Please ask me. First one, same versus different. Small, medium, large, long and short, tall and short. Count and match, count and write. These are over. Thank you, children. Bye.